Hello everyone, today we are going to make wheat and jaggery cake. So for this, take a bowl and throw in 100 grams of jaggery powder with 50 grams of curd. Beat the mixture properly. I am using an electric beater, but you can also use a hand whisk or a balloon whisk for mixing. After it is mixed properly, put in 80 ml of oil. Remember not to use a mustard or olive oil while baking. Now put in 60 ml of milk and beat the mixture once again properly. Now for the dry ingredients. See 115 grams of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Sieve the mixture properly. If you want to know full written recipe, you can check our description box. After sieving it properly, now mix wet and dry ingredients by cut and fold method. I am using a 6-inch round aluminium tin and going to grease it with oil. Now dust it with whole wheat flour and tap out excess by tapping it on the floor. Pour your batter into the mold. And with the help of a spatula, level the batter. Tap the batter for 8 to 10 times. I have some dry fruits here. You can take any dry fruit of your choice and coat it with whole wheat flour and sprinkle it over the cake. I am also using chocolate chips, but it is optional for you to add them on the cake. Now bake this at convection mode at 170 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Your cake is ready. You can check it by inserting a toothpick in the middle. If it comes out to be clean, that means your cake is ready. Now with the help of a knife, I am going to loose the sides of the cake so that the cake comes out easily without breaking. Now flip the cake on the cake board and tap it on the base and flip it once again. Your whole wheat jaggery cake is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Delicious Art.